Hi, it's Miss Rosie with the San Diego Natural History Museum. I have a beautiful and very unique book for you today, all about visiting the beach in the wintertime. This is called Seaside Stroll, and it is written by Charles Trevino and illustrated by Maribel Lechuga. Scruffy shoes, socks, sweater, scratchy, silly scarf. You can see they're bundled up. Look how cold it is. Step, step, sidestep, snow. Slow steps, shuffle, straddle, saunter, sand. So where do you know that has snow and sand? Skip, spin, swing, seagulls. Oh, that looks like fun, doesn't it? Shells, stones, seaweed, surf. All the things you can find in the surf. Stand still. Why do you think they're standing still? That's why. Look what they found. Spectacular, sparkling, smile, super. Oh, I would call this a super kind of day, right? Spectacular. Look at all those birds. Steady step, solid step, shaky step, stumble. Oh no. Swish, swirl, surge, surprised. Why is she getting surprised? Look, oh no, the wave surprised her. What happened to her doll? What's happening? Slip, splash, sink, soaked. Oh, she doesn't look very happy. What's going on? Looks like her doll is soaked down there with the sea anemones. Stretch, snatch, squeezed, saved. So there she is. She got her out of the water. Sopping shoes, socks, sweater, salty, silly scarf. Oh, look at that. She doesn't look very happy, does she? And it's the winter time and she's all wet. What's going to happen? Slosh, slide, squishy step, slush. Yeah, that's what happens when your feet get wet, right? Squish, squash. Sniffle, shiver, sneeze, shoulder. Take a look there. Yeah, she got cold. I think it's time to go, huh? Swift steps, scamper, scuttle, scurry, shower. So there she is. Oh, warm shower sounds good. Spray, squirt, scrub, soap suds. Sweatshirt, slippers, supper, story. That sounds like a great way to end a day, doesn't it? Look at the fire. Get all cozy in your sweatshirt. Have some supper. And get to read a story. Silence. Sometimes my favorite part of the day. Getting dark, time for bed. Nice and quiet. Snafe, safe, snug, sleep. Shh. Wasn't that fun? It's a fun story. Did you notice that every single word started with the letter S? That's a special thing that people use when they write poems, and it's called alliteration. Alliteration is used in lots of different places. If you think about some stores, Best Buy, Dunkin' Donuts, or maybe even some of your favorite characters like Donald Duck, Bugs Bunny, Mickey Mouse. Alliteration is a wonderful tool that we can use in poems, and it makes people remember things a little bit better, and it's kind of fun. So try to see if you can make up something that's alliteration in a nice poem, or maybe just something that is fun to say. Well, thank you for taking the time to talk with me today. Ta-ta. See you later. Bye-bye.